We are here to appreciate and thank each and every one of us for their contribution towards the success of this academic year. As we cherish the success of this academic year, let us look back all our experiences gratefully. With these grateful hearts, let us invoke God's blessing upon us through prayer song. Let us stand for the prayer song followed by Tamil Taivat. Third BCom A student to welcome the gathering.
Good morning to one and all gathered here. It's a privilege and a pleasure to welcome you here on the thankful day for the Valediction of Commerce Association. Honorable Chief Guest of the day, Reverend Father Aroke Selvan, my dear staff and my dear student friends. We are truly honored to have Reverend Father Aroke Selvan, correspondent, Abbott Marshall Higher Secondary School, Sembatu, a priest who has sacrificed his knowledge and committed towards societal revolution. In his school, Abbott Marshall Sembatu, he was called fondly as walking encyclopedia by his colleagues. He is known for simplicity and hard work. He is a man who believes in self-confidence. On behalf of the Commerce Association and the organizers, let me welcome you, Father. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming Dr. L.J. Charles, HOD of Commerce, St. Joseph's College, a backbone of academic activities and enjoys a worldwide reputation for excellence in academic endeavors. We welcome you, sir. I take this opportunity to welcome our President of Commerce Association, Dr. V. Bastin Jerome, and Dr. M. Anthony Jesaraja, Vice President of Commerce, and all our staff members. Welcome, sirs. I sincerely welcome all the students.
Than a student's professor, Dr. L.J. Charles, the head of the Department of Commerce. I request the ever youthful Karta of our department, Dr. L.J. Charles, to felicitate the gathering.
Good morning. Honorable Chief Guest of this day, Reverend Dr. Maridas, the Vice Principal, the Procurator of our college, Dr. Bastin Jerome, the President of Commerce Association, Dr. Anthony Jesaraj, the Vice President of Commerce Association, other professors, and my dear students. This is the day where we wind up all our extracurricular, co-curricular activities. As I have been telling you, it is believed strongly that students learn equally from outside the classrooms. We conduct many activities, we participate in many competitions, and by conducting activities, by participating in competitions, we learn many things. We learn leadership qualities. We learn what we have got. We learn what we don't have. And that is why in our college, activities of the association are given a very high importance. So in that way, this year, Commerce Association has been very, very, very active. On behalf of the department, I wholeheartedly appreciate Dr. V. Bastin Jerome, Dr. Anthony Jesaraj, and the student volunteers and coordinators who have taken up the gauntlet of achieving many things for the department. So in that way, this is the finest day to recognize their achievements. I wish them all the best. The seniors are going to move out of the college. The juniors, that means students of the second year and first year, must learn how to carry out this achievement in the years to come. So I wish all of you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for felicitating the gathering. Dear friends, as a mark of respect and to show our sincere gratitude to our respected chief guest, Reverend Father Arogya Selvan, the correspondent of Abbott Marcel Higher Secondary School, may I request Dr. L.J. Charles, the head of the department, to adorn our chief guest with a shawl. And I also request Dr. V. Bastian Jerome, the president of Commerce Association, to give away the memento.
Are you guys ready to jump or what?
I'm immensely glad to invite Mr. Vigas, 3rd BCom B, to introduce the chief guest.
When I came to Sale Auditorium, some people asked me whether I am the resourceful person. But I am not the resourceful person because my personality shows that I am the resourceful person many times. Sorry. I am going to introduce about the resourceful person today. White stands for purity. And today I am here to introduce about a white bird, Reverend Father Arogya Selvan, the correspondent, Abbott Marcel RC High Secondary School, Sembattu, Trichy. When I read his biodata, I was inspired for 2 reasons. Nowadays the priests, it is my point of view, nowadays the priests do their service either in education field or in spiritual field or services. And he is an exemption from this point of view. He served as parish priest as well as worked as a teacher simultaneously for 10 years. And then the second one is a good orator, both in English and in Tamil. Then I can also add one more. He was a gold medalist in journalism in Delhi University. Please give him a big round of applause. Besides this, I'd like to give some more information about this inspiring personality. Father Arogya Selvan is an Albertine priest. He was ordained in 2004. He is an English teacher for 10 years. He has completed BA, MA, BEd in English. He has completed Bachelor of Philosophy and Bachelor of Theology. He is a charismatic preacher. He gives seminars for youth teachers and religious men. And today we are very happy to have this inspiring personality, and we are waiting to listen to his valuable words. Welcome, Father.
Thank you, brother. This is a peak time for this function. We are very happy to listen to Reverend Father Arogya Selvan. I request the chief guest to inspire all of us with your valuable words and shower your blessings on each one of us.